HVAC quick tips, troubleshooting. As you can see, this unit does not have a pressure sensor. Instead, to check the rotation for the inducer motor, it uses the Hall effect, and there's a Hall effect sensor you can see mounted right on the back here, the inducer motor. That's what this red, white, and black cable is. So to troubleshoot it is pretty easy. Just remove the call for heat and make sure that your power is on. Go to the board, you can disconnect your sensor, and we want to check what the readings on the board are. So first you're going to take your meter, you're going to set the meter to volts DC, and then you're going to take your black lead and you're going to put it on pin number 3, and then your red lead's going to be on pin number 1. So red to pin 1, black to pin 3. And you should have anywhere from 7.5 to about 10.5, 10.6 volts, right? If you are outside of that range by a large margin, then I would replace the board. Now, if you check the red lead to pin number 2, you should get anywhere from 21 to 24 volts DC. You can see this one is 22.54, so that one is good and in range. If those again are outside of spec, I would definitely replace the board. Now go ahead and reconnect your plug. Now with that plug reconnected, you are going to go ahead and keep your meter on DC. You're going to put your black back into 3, and then your red is going to be into 1. Okay, now you're going to go down to the inducer motor. With your meter hooked up, we're just going to rotate the motor about a half turn, and we should see less than 1 volt. And then the second half turn, you're going to see anywhere from like 6.5 to 9 volts. There we go. So you're going to switch your red lead from pin 1 to pin 2, keeping your black lead on pin 3. And you should have anywhere from 16.5 to 21 volts DC, and we have 17.09 volts. If any of those readings are outside, then you will want to replace the Hall effect sensor.